Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I will show you a project called Second Sale Shopping. Let's see the description once. This is the project description. As we said, we have developed this website to help users to buy and sell the products. Seller in the sense the user who wants to sell the products which are no longer in use and don't want to keep things up, so seller can make them as available or in the sales, so buyers who want to buy them, they can buy it. So now in this website we have providing authentic service by providing that if any fraud should not happen, here we holds the total amount paid by the user for at least some certain period, because if buyer is not satisfied with the product or if there is any defect in this product, buyers can replace it or buyers can return it. In that way we are reducing the risk of fake or a defect piece through this website. So let's look at the project flow. This is the project flow. In this project, we have two modules, admin and user. Admin in this project have default credentials. So admin will log in with those default credentials. After logging into his account, admin will add the product categories and subcategories. After adding categories and subcategories, admin can view these both. Now, admin is a person who is responsible for providing, handling, verification, everything here. So users have to register by giving their email, phone number, address. So after logging into after registration, these details will be verified by the admin. After verification only, users able to log in into their accounts. Users, after logging into their account by giving their email and password, can see their profile details like mail, phone number, address, etc. If they want to edit it, they can edit it here. Users can sell the products by in a sell products page. They have to upload the product name, how much price they are giving this product. After that, he can view the products which are made for sale. User who wants to sell the product he can view the buyer's request for this particular product. This user also can send requests to the products which are available in this website. In this sense, the users are acting like sometimes sellers and sometimes buyers. So by this way, users can view buyer's request for the post they have made for products. They can also send requests to buy others products, so they can view their requests as well in view my request page. So all the transactions they have made in this website will be displayed in view transaction page. These transactions will be displayed to the admin as well. Now, for the dealings and bargains, users can chat with each other in chat option. This is secure chat option, so it's easy to bargain and to make deals and offers. So let's look at the project. This is the homepage of Second Sale Shopping. We have two modules, one for admin. Admin have default login credentials as username as admin and password as admin. After logging into his account, admin will add categories. These categories will be added successfully. You can see them here. After adding categories, admin will add subcategories. So for the furniture, you can see home appliance, kitchen appliances. Subcategory added. We can view them here. So based on this subcategories and all, users will add the products. As of now, we don't have any user register. So now let's move on to user module. Users have to register first. So they have to give their name, email, phone number, password, about, something about, and address. After registration, users' profiles will be verified by the admin, so admin have to verify those. So when admin clicks on view users, we can see all the users registered and active or deactive. Admin will authorize. Now users can log in. Users can log in by giving the mail and password. This is the home page. Here users can see their profile. If they want to edit, they can edit it. So they can mention whatever the names. So profile updated, we can see my profile here. It is changed. So after that, if user wants to sell product, they have to click on sell product. If they click on, they can see the categories added by the admin. These are the subcategories. So in these kitchen appliances, they can mention the product name. They can enter the price. They have to upload the file of it. And some description about it. So product posted, we can see them, view products. This is the product he added. We can see by filter it by categories as well. So if there are any products, you can see those. By these many ways, we can see the products. Now let's move on. Let's log in as another one. You can view products. So these are the products available right now. So when we click on this product, we can see the picture of it. Now, if this user wants to buy this fridge, now if he is not wanted to buy this for 15,000, so he can make an offer here. So he can say some 10 if he want to 1,000. So this will be reviewed by another user. Let's see. Users can see buyer's request. So this is the requested amount. If they want to accept it, they can accept. So if they want to chart, they can also chart. So let's see, buyer's request, accept. So if accepted, other user have to pay the amount. Buyer's request. So my request. So this is the acceptor request. You have to pay. You have to give the card number, card name on card, CVV and expire date. This product is sold and it will be no more displayed to any other user. So users can also chat with the particular reseller by clicking on chat. They can say chat here. This message will send to the relevant man. In chat option we can see the messages here. By this way they can communicate. We can see the transactions here. This is the transaction. This is the total amount. This is the 2% service charges for admin. This is the seller amount. So this product is sold. This also visible to the admin because all the transactions have to send to admin as service charges as well. Let's see. Here, these are all the transactions, all about all the products. Yeah, this is all about second cell shopping. Hope you guys understand the project. Thank you for watching.